Trallallero trallala.
Trallallero trallala.
I wanted to visualize the Italian brain rot trend, so I made this. And here's how. I mentioned embeddings a few times before, but this is just a way to convert one form of information into numbers that a large language model or other AI can work with. There's an embedding model specifically for images. Now, this model that embeds images has real-life applications, for example, in the medical field, but this is way more fun. There was a problem with their model, however. It gives 1,024 numbers, which is too many for me to work with or visualize. But luckily, there's a technique called primary component analysis that can be used to reduce the number of dimensions to something like 2 that you could put on a graph. It's not perfect, but it's the industry standard for visualization. And that's how we got here. There's a lot of patterns in the results. First off, the two that are on top of each other are clearly the most similar. One is a fighter jet with a goose, and the other one's a bomber with a crocodile. A pattern that I thought was interesting was the background setting slowly changing across the graph. On the right, we have the sky. In the middle, we have the water. On the top middle, we have the sand. And this band here goes from urban with no trees to urban with trees to forested to jungle. And then at the bottom left, you just have the two foreboding characters in a dimly lit place that look like they're gonna kill you. And also the ones where feet or legs play like a big part of why they're funny are also all in this band. I'm going to do a few more visualizations to see how they compare with the actual words. So I hope you found this interesting. If you did, a like, share, or follow go a long way. And as always, stay curious.